Yes, our kids can. Welcome to the Ken's 5 Studios. Bill Taylor on the tour. Take a look. This is the news studio, and this is the news set. The clouds have warmed things up. Right now, 73. When I was in high school, college was expected. I was going to college, so I went. And 2-3 years in, I wasn't ready. And I got out. I was in the workforce. I was making good money. I was driving a nice car. I was making ends meet. I'm on my own, you know. So I said, I can wait. College can come later. I thought, I'll go to college one day. But then I'll never forget this phone conversation with my dad when he said, I've accepted the fact that you're probably not going to finish college. And that really hit me. I could hear the disappointment in his voice. And then I could finally see the ceiling that he talked about. That without college, it was going to stop there. And I'll be told where I work instead of deciding where I work. And that was really the moment where I called and said, can I move home? I want to finish college, you know? And I quit that job and I got back home and it was 2 semesters and I was done and I had a degree. My degree's in journalism, but the first position at the local television station that opened up was a weekend weatherman. And I called, I said, did you guys fill that weekend weather spot? And they said, no, you interested? And by the grace of God, someone saw something I didn't know I had. And they called me back and said, we want you to do weekends. And that's how it started. In television, it's been 26 years, and I'm the chief meteorologist of Ken's 5 Television in the 7th largest city of the United States. I'm making $120 an hour, and I couldn't have done that without finishing my education at McNeese State University. Without my college degree, it doesn't happen. So it's a great living in the sense of what I'm able to provide. I mean, we have 3 children. I live in a home bigger than I grew up in. I'm able to provide them with things I never had. Today, college has become the high school diploma. The extra is the master's or the doctorate, but it all starts with a college degree. I mean, it really has become the high school diploma now.